If that's a booger, then you have to like and subscribe to Cut Up Extra on YouTube. That's right, Big Bird. Yes! Yes!
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's gonna be red. Alright.
We got it right.
It's gonna be green.
It's gonna be orange.
We got it right again.
I want.
If that's a booger, then you have to like and subscribe to Cut Up Extra on YouTube. That's right, Big Bird. Yes! Yes!
Green or purple? Purple. Yes, I got it right. Green or blue? Red. Yes, I got it right again. Brown or red? Orange. I'm always right, just like
Yellow
my best
or
friend
orange?
Purple.
Black or purple? How many did you get right?
Brown? Awesome.
Can't believe I'm right. I'm so close at this. I'm
Blue.
not gonna give up this one because I would say it. Man, I
Awesome.
suck at this. Okay, I'll say green.
Pink, like
green.
Blossom.
Pink.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Here he comes. Take that, sir! Behold, a grown man weeping like...
That? That was your plan? Are you crying?
Yes, I'm crying. He hit me with a chair.
Time to give me a melting popsicle, and plus, they replaced my arm with a robot arm. Wait, Tweety Bird. Perfect things. It's impressive. Perfect things. Come on, I bet you can make it more way perfect than that. Perfect things. Come on, I bet you can make this even more better than that. Perfect things. Come on. Make it better than that. Make it better. Perfect things. Come on, I really want more satisfying pictures than that. And those. Perfect things. And guess what, guys? My arm is back. Oh, come on. Please make it better than that. I double dare you to do it. Perfect things. Come on. I triple dare you to do this. Perfect things.
To continue this video, press subscribe.
Perfect things. It's more like beautiful things.
I would say that is green. Can't believe I guessed it right.
Yellow or red?
Yellow. It's exactly like my feathers. Yellow.
Orange or pink?